Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. It comes equipped with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and cooled seats, as well as panoramic moonroof, 360-degree camera, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're in this all-black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom here. It's equipped with the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You have your seat memory with the power locks and the power windows and mirrors, as well as you're going to have wood and chrome accents as well. You're also going to have these chrome running boards here as well. And onto the seats here, like I said, heated and ventilated, as well as power adjustable for both. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your power folding mirrors. Below that you're going to have your lighting control as well as your power adjustable pedals. Left side of the steering wheel would be your odometer cluster control and as well as your cruise. And the right side will be your volume control and voice recognition as well. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information. As you can see, you can access your off-road status, your trip info, as well as your gauge views, as well as you can access pretty much all of your gauge selection, as well as towing off-road and other settings as well as your lane keep assist and driver assistance. It's going to be push to start. Of course, you're going to have your 2- and 4-wheel drive, as well as your rear locking diff. You have the trailer backup with the brake controller just on the bottom, and onto the infotainment. So you can download apps, obviously Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can access your climate as well as your built-in navigation. And also, like I said, you can download fine mobile apps as well. So here's Travel Link. Below that, you're going to be dual zone climate control with the CD players above it, heated cooled seats. Down below, more wood and chrome. You're going to have 2 USB ports with some extra storage. And over here on the shifter, you're going to have your drive mode selector, as well as your parallel parking assist, and as well as your lane departure warning. And center console with more storage as well. Passenger side, same finish. Like I said, power adjustable. Wood and chrome goes all the way across. You're also going to have a 12-volt and as well as an AC wall charger on the side there. You're going to have more of that storage, like I said, the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You come up here, you're going to have the reading lamps, sunglass case holder, and your panoramic moonroof. So you're going to have these 20-inch chrome aluminum wheels on Pane Dyno Pro tires. You're going to have chrome badging, chrome mirror caps, and door handles as well. You're also going to have the sidebars for the truck bed, FX4 package with the chrome bumper as well. Trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under. The exhaust polished tip. And into the back, the easy tailgate. You're going to have bed tie downs as well as LED lamps, hitch points. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, more paneling and storage on the bottom next to the speaker. Power windows with the wood and chrome again. Up in the back, SuperCrew, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. With rear cup holders, rear 12-volt with rear heated seating, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger. You're also going to have the cup holder and armrest right in the center here. A power rear sliding window. Seats fold for more storage. Handles on the side, lamps up top, and above you again, that moonroof right there. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Ford F-150 Lariat. It comes equipped with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, as well as heated and cooled seats, 360-degree camera, as well as trailer brake controller, locking rear differential, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.